Hi everyone, in this lecture we are going to learn about what is AeroDumpNG. So AeroDumpNG is used to list all the networks around us and display useful information about them. So it is a packet sniffer, so it is basically designed to capture all the packets that are around us while we are in monitor mode. So we can run it against all the networks around us and collect useful information like the MAC address, channel name, encryption type, number of clients connected to that particular network, and then start targeting to the network, or we can say target network. So we can also run it against certain access points so that we will only capture packets from a certain Wi-Fi network. So now let's check how we can take use of this particular tool. So in order to run this, what you need to do here is, first of all, you need to check your Wi-Fi adapter is in monitor mode or not. So for that you need to type iw config and hit enter. After hitting enter, as you can see that currently we are in monitor mode. That's very well. Now let's clear the screen and then type AeroDumpNG in order to run this, and interface name which is LAN 0. After doing this, now let's hit enter. So after hitting enter, as you can see that it is capturing the packet, and all the information that you can see here is everything that it has collected. Okay, so now guys, as you can see that we are having so many values here, so we are going to talk about all of them one by one. So first of all, let's check what is BSSID. Okay, what is BSSID? So BSSID nothing but it is the MAC address of the network. Okay, so as you can see that this is the MAC address that we have of this particular device, and this is the MAC address of this particular device, and these all are the MAC address. So BSSID contains the MAC address. Okay, then we are having PWR. So this is nothing but power. So this shows the signal strength of the network. So the higher the number of strength, then better will be the signal. Okay, then again we are having beacons. So beacons are the frames sent by the network in order to broadcast its existence. Okay, then we are having data. So what is data? Data is nothing but it shows the number of data packets or the number of data frames that currently sharing. Okay, then we are having this which is /s. So this shows the number of data packets that we collected in the past 10 seconds. So we have not collected anything, that is why it is showing us 0. Okay, so now let's talk about what is CH. So as the name suggesting, it stands for channel. So it shows that in which channel the network works on. Okay, so the channel number of this particular network, which is Nokia 8.1, is 13, 10 for Parihar, 3 for RL2.4G, and 11 for TP-Link B297, and 2 for just loading. Then we are having ENC. So what it is? ENC shows the encryption. What kind of encryption network is using? It can be WEP, OPN is for open, WPA and WPA2. So in our case, we are having WPA2, WPA2 and WEP, WPA2, WPA2. Okay, so then we are having one more field which is cipher. So what it is? Cipher shows the cipher used in the network. What kind of cipher is used inside the network? It is used for, that is why it is present here. Then we are having auth. It shows that the authentication used on the network, which kind of authentication is used in the network, and at the end we are having ESSID, which is nothing but the name of the network that you can see here. So guys, this is how it works, and this is how you can capture the packet in the air using your Wi-Fi adapter.